Alright guys, I got my LZ9 block rolled out here. It's still covered up, but the reason why I got it rolled out is because I got a call from Champion Racing Heads in Palm Coast. They said my heads are done, so let's go pick them up.
Don't call me white. Don't call me white. Don't call me white. Don't call me white.
Alright guys, we made it. We're here. I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys outside in the car, and I'm going to run in and grab the heads. Alright guys, just leaving Champion Racing Heads now. I picked up the heads. Let's get back to the house so we can have a closer look at these. Guys, so here we go. We got them back at the house. The first look here at the head. I mean, I don't know really what all you're going to be able to see, but I'll just go over it here real quick. I went out and got all new valves. They're not performance valves or anything like that. It's just a stock replacement valve. I don't know what I did with my old valves, but here's our, they're just factory replacement intake and exhaust valves. The deck of the head was surfaced 10 thousandths or 1/100th, whatever you want to, however you want to say it. Pack 1218 springs. I believe these are manley steel retainers, and it's just steel keepers as well. And all new valve seals and spring seats. And on my heads here, the shop had to install 15 thousandths shims on 6 of the seats and a 30 thousandths shim on 6 other seats. I'm not quite sure which one goes to which, or if they vary. If, you know, I don't know if all 6 are on the intake that are the 15 thousandths or not. But if you look closely in here, you can actually see the shim in there, or maybe not. Maybe you can't. Spring install height was set to 1.78 inches, and the spring has a seat pressure of 150 pounds. And they also did a little, you might not even be able to see it in the video here, but they did a little chamber work here. They cleaned up the chambers around the valves. When they did the valve job. It's a 4-angle valve job. It's 3 on the seat and 1 on the valve, like a back cut on the valve. So it's probably a 30, a 45, and a 60 on the valve seat, and then a back cut on the valve to help with flow. I don't know if I'm able to get down in there to see if I can actually see that back cut or not. Let's try it. Nah, I just did a quick look at it, and I couldn't tell. But so once again, these heads were lightly ported by me. Just a gasket match valve, or a gasket match job, and a bowl cleanup. That's really all I did with these. Not too crazy. There we go. Look down inside there at the bowl area. I don't know how detailed that's really going to come out, but there that is. And so there's one head, and then of course the other head is still in the bag. No reason to take that one out. But total cost about $320, $330 to have this work done. Of course, that doesn't include any of the parts. So let's see, the valves were like $100 and some. The springs were $148. Retainers and keepers, I couldn't even tell you. I don't remember. Those might be 30, 40 bucks. And then the spring seats, new spring seats were I don't know, $13 or something. Pretty cheap. So add all that up, it might be $500-600 in the heads, which isn't too terrible. So one step closer to completing the engine assembly. I've got my gasket kit in, and we'll have that all ready to go, and I just got to assemble it, and I'll of course have video of all of that when I do it. But that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the 3.9 liter LZ9 swap, and that we're still going ahead with it. Thank you.